SOFI update here on the 26th. So this will probably be a pretty quick update because not really that much has happened since the last video. But we are still holding here. I think that this is probably just the overall first wave right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like that. We pull back here pretty much to the 1.61 fib of this right here. So we have A down right here. Pretty close. It was 634. We did 636. So I think that should be the overall second wave. We retraced a little bit past the 0.5 fib, which is fine. So I am looking for a next move, the next move to hit 681 would be my target. And there's like a million different ways this can go. So let's just say 681 for a third wave. But you never know. You could end up getting something like this too. You could end up getting pullback right here and then get like a nested move right here and the third wave goes higher. But based on where it's at right now, I would say 681 is a good target. This is a 4-hour supply zone, and I think that is a gap too, maybe. Yeah, there's a gap here at 677. So I think that gap should fill here soon. And I think we're looking at a third wave starting right now. If it does fall back here farther, if the overall market falls over the next couple of days and it falls back, then it would still be a second wave in my opinion. So it would be potentially something like that too. If that happens, same structure, same target right here, up here to 681. So overall, I think this is a good move from the bottom here, and I think we actually did bottom this time. I don't think there's a very good chance of us coming down here and breaking the lows. And remember, this move from the very bottom has got to be a impulse move. This is not going to be a corrective move. So that means that we cannot go below 620. It has to hold, and it has to be an impulse move higher. If you didn't watch the videos from the last time, I said that 860 is a minimum target. So minimum target right there at 857, potentially all the way up here to 1453. So really, if you go back and watch the other videos, you can look at the long-term options for how far we're going to go high, or how high we're going to go. But for right now, everything looks good. This looks like an impulse move. It looks like we're correcting right now. And a third wave should be coming. First target, 681. If we go to 681, I'd be looking for a pullback to 670 and then up to probably around $7. A little bit higher than $7, maybe 711. There might even be a gap up there too. There's not a gap up there, but somewhere around 7 to 710, around that area right there. This could happen next week too. They might have, I haven't looked at the options chain. There's probably a lot of calls right now. So they might just burn these calls the next couple of days. We might end up coming down here farther like that. And then next week we take off. But I do know that we are looking good from the bottom. We are only up 26 cents at the moment. But we should be seeing another big move higher from here. Impulse move over the next month or so into earnings with a minimum target of 857. So that's pretty much all there is to say in this video. I will keep you updated. Let's see if we can get up to $7 by sometime next week. That'd be a pretty good start to the move higher. That's it for tonight. Have a good night, and I will talk to you soon.